Welcome back to Lolosap. In today's video, we're diving into the health benefits of one of nature's most nutritious foods, eggs. We'll explore their impact on your body, supported by scientific studies. But please note, this video is for informational purposes only, and it's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. Eggs are often considered nature's multivitamin, packed with essential nutrients like high-quality protein, healthy fats, and vitamins such as A, D, E, and B12. One large egg contains about 6 grams of protein and all 9 essential amino acids that our body needs to function properly. Studies have shown that eating eggs can help with muscle growth and repair. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition highlighted that the high-quality protein in eggs promotes muscle protein synthesis, making them a great post-workout snack. Brain health. Eggs are rich in choline, an essential nutrient that supports brain function, memory, and mood. According to research from the Journal of Nutrition, consuming adequate choline can improve cognitive performance and help prevent neurodegenerative conditions as you age. Eye health. Eggs contain antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to protect against cataracts and macular degeneration. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirmed that eating eggs regularly can increase levels of these antioxidants in the blood. Impact on cholesterol levels. Contrary to old beliefs, recent research has shown that eggs don't negatively impact cholesterol levels for most people. In fact, a review published in Nutrients found that moderate egg consumption has little to no effect on blood cholesterol levels for the majority of the population. However, individuals with certain conditions like familial hypercholesterolemia should still consult with their doctor. Eating eggs promotes weight loss and satiety. Eggs are highly satiating, meaning they keep you feeling full longer. A study published in the International Journal of Obesity found that participants who ate eggs for breakfast consumed fewer calories throughout the day and experienced greater weight loss compared to those who had a carbohydrate-rich breakfast. This makes eggs an excellent choice for weight management. Eggs and heart health. Some studies suggest that eating eggs may even improve heart health. Research from the Journal of the American College of Nutrition indicates that eggs increase HDL, the good cholesterol, which is associated with a lower risk of heart disease. How many eggs should you eat? While eggs are incredibly nutritious, it's important to consume them in moderation. For most healthy individuals, up to 1 egg per day does not significantly raise the risk of cardiovascular disease, according to a large meta-analysis published in the BMJ. However, those with existing heart conditions or high cholesterol should check with their healthcare provider for personalized advice. Thanks for watching. Eggs are truly a nutritional powerhouse that can benefit almost every part of your body. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves eggs. Let me know in the comments, how do you like to eat your eggs?